If you've decided it's finally time to step away from Asana, whether you're switching to a different productivity tool or just simplifying your digital life, this guide will show you exactly how to delete your Asana account in 2025. The process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through each step so you don't miss anything important. First, open your browser and go to asana.com. On the homepage, log in with the email address and password connected to your account. Make sure you're using the right email, especially if you've managed multiple workspaces in the past. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Asana dashboard. Now, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile picture or initials. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings. This will open a new window where you can adjust different parts of your account. Inside the Settings window, click on the Account tab, scroll down, and you'll find the option that says Deactivate Account. When you click on it, Asana will ask you to confirm your decision. Keep in mind, deactivating your account means you'll lose access to your tasks, projects, and any other data stored under this account. So, before you proceed, make sure you've downloaded or saved anything you might need later. Once you're ready, hit the Deactivate button. After confirming, your account will be permanently deactivated and you'll be signed out. Just like that, your Asana account is deleted, and that's all there is to it. In just a few steps, you've successfully removed your account. I hope this guide made the process clear and stress-free. If it helped you out, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.